everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Trend. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update to offers going to happen on SKEEM SAAM from the 5th to the 9th of December 2022 on Monday. Jacob Beth kicks Elizabeth to the curb. Leto vows to making his club opening a success. The teenager sings Ntate Kganyago's praises while Koloye suffers the side effects of an unexpected outcome on Tuesday. A mother stuck between a rock and a hard place is forced to choose love over blood. The backlines are drawn between his son and his parents. Lehasa is upset when he learns that he was inadvertently rendered an absent father during a crisis on Wednesday. Elizabeth thinks she's finally going to nail Ntate Kganyago, but things take an unexpected turn. Interview for Leto's club begins. Lehasa is stunned by Kwezikazi's recent behavior on this day. Ntate Kganyago peels off his mask and what beneath is not pretty. Lehasa bite off a former Rovua chef's ears for almost getting him arrested. Charles is offended by Nora's unexpected confession on Friday. Ntate Kganyago starts milking his sleeping beauty financially. Bazaruto tears a deep hole in Leto's pocket before it even opens. Chef Jose proposes a sinister partnership with the Kwezikazi. Well guys, this is all I have for today. Do leave your comment below and share your opinion.